Did you know U.S. warships are now moving through the Panama Canal? On August 29, 2025, AFP spotted the USS Lake Erie in Panama City. The guided missile cruiser crossed the Pedro Miguel locks around 9:30 p.m. It was heading east into the Caribbean, days after deployments near Venezuela. Washington says the buildup targets Latin American drug cartels, not invasion plans. Caracas answered with 15,000 troops to its Colombian border and new naval patrols. Thousands of Venezuelans also joined militia sign-ups after calls from President Maduro. Mexico, meanwhile, rejected any U.S. military presence on its soil. Poll: do warships in the Caribbean bring stability or raise the stakes? Like, follow, share if you believe sea power still shapes Latin American history.